The overall goal of this rehabilitation intervention is to highlight different uses of surface neuromuscular electrical stimulation-resistance training and functional electrical stimulation-lower extremities cycling as strategies to ameliorate several of the health-related consequences of spinal cord injury.
So these methods can help to answer key questions in the area of rehabilitation on how to effectively design an electrical stimulation protocols for persons with spinal cord injury. The benefit of these techniques is to maximize cardiometabolic benefits and to increase muscle mass after a spinal cord injury. We would like to investigate this research question to improve rehabilitation protocols available for persons with a spinal cord injury. General individuals with a spinal cord injury who are new to this method may struggle because of pain that may experience at the beginning of the training. However, these patients may likely to have intact sensation, and as they develop training and move on in their training, they are likely to develop use to the program and they become more tolerant to electrical stimulation protocol. Demonstrating the neuromuscular electrical stimulation protocol is Refka Khalil. She is a research coordinator in our lab. Demonstrating the FES cycling for lower extremity training is Robert Lester and Sally Abulmona. Both of them are research assistants in our lab.
To begin, measure the participant's resting blood pressure and heart rate. With a participant seated in a wheelchair, instruct them to remove their shoes. Position a pillow behind the participant's calf